Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Zero Reviews Tech. This is the Vernee X smartphone, another big battery phone from one of the MTK manufacturers. I already reviewed the Ulefone Power 3, which has the Helio P23 and a 6000 mAh battery, and the Vernee X also has almost the same thing. Let's go to the back and see. As you can see, this time I'm smart. I covered up my IMEI with some paper. But yeah, specifications over here. So here we have the Helio P23 processor, 6-inch screen, 128 gigabytes of storage, which is a lot in a phone like this, 6 gigs of RAM, 16 megapixel camera, and a 6200 mAh battery as well. And we have Type-C, VOS, dual 4G LTE, Face ID recognition, GPS, and GLONASS as well. So let's get to unboxing this. Alright, so before we unbox the phone, I just want to let you know one thing. Vernee has the same box for pretty much all their phones. If you remember back a long time ago, even the Vernee Mars had the same kind of box. And look over here, I had the Vernee Mix 2, and it's literally the exact same box, except there's a Mix 2 sticker instead of an X sticker over here. Probably as a cost-saving measure, as well as kind of like a branding thing to make sure that you recognize that this is a Vernee box whenever you see it. So without further ado, let's get down to unboxing the Vernee X. I'm gonna put that aside for now and see what else we have inside the box. So here we have a European charger, or yeah, I think it's a European charger. And we have a USB-C cable. We have a microphone to USB-C headphone jack over here, which means that there is no headphone jack in the phone. SIM popper. We have a Vernee OTA QR code, which I'm not sure what this is for, because there should already be a updater app inside your phone already, so I'm not sure what this is. And then we have the user manual and the warranty card as well. Finally, seems like more and more manufacturers are giving us cases and screen protectors for their phones, and most of the time the cases are not the greatest quality, but this one actually seems to be okay. If you notice over here, if you ignore that, you notice that there are bumpers on each corner of the device, kind of like what I have for my Xiaomi Mi Note 3. Look at the bumpers on this over here. And this case cost me like $9, which is not cheap for a Chinese case at all. So yeah, pretty nice that they gave us a well-protected case for the Vernee X. So let's put all this stuff aside and get onto the actual phone itself. Alright, so here is the phone itself. There's a screen protector here. I already took off the IMEI at the back already. Nice. So there's a screen protector already installed on the phone, and first impressions, it honestly feels the same size as the Ulefone Power 3, which I have right here. Oh no, it's actually a little bit bigger. Oh no, it's the same size. Yeah, it's about the same size. I think it's maybe a little bit taller and a little bit wider as well, but pretty much should be the same in terms of size and weight. But yeah. The back of the phone is metal, and whoa, we can see that there's lots of fingerprints on the back of the phone already. This metal is a matte kind of metal, and I like this better than the Ulefone Power 3, where the metal here is a little bit more glossy, so it doesn't feel as nice as the matte metal you find on the Vernee X over here. Okay, but yeah, so I like this a lot. And here we have the LED, the dual cameras, and the fingerprint sensor over here. It's pretty high as well, so we'll have to see if I can use that effectively or not. And here we have the power buttons, screen on the front, SIM tray over here, no headphone jack, USB-C. Yeah, so all in all, my first impressions of this phone is it's good quality, definitely good quality over here, especially the back with the matte metal. And the phone is fairly big as well, so we'll see how big the bezels are when I turn this phone on. So let's do that right now, actually. Alright, so I've turned the Vernee X on and set up my Google account as well. It's currently downloading all the apps as well as a wireless update. So it's going to go through all that, but in the meantime, let's take a look at the bezels. And I'm going to open up Google Play Store because it's white, so you can be able to see the bezels better. So, as you can see, the bezels here they're okay. The side bezels are a little bit on the big side, and the top and bottom bezels are okay, but to be fair, they are pretty much the exact same as the Ulefone Power 3. Just going to do the same thing over here. So this is the Ulefone Power 3. Turn the brightness up on here as well. And you'll see that the bezels around here are pretty much the same on both sides over here. So you can see that the top and bottom bezels are the same. You just can't remove this bottom bar over here, but you can on the Vernee X, so that's okay. And the side bezels, going to separate these a little bit. There you go. They are the same as well. The side bezels on this look a little bit bigger from the top down because on this side, the side bezels here are black, but here it's silver, so it kind of stands out a lot more when you're looking at the phone. So yeah, black sides would probably help with making the bezels look a little bit smaller, and the Vernee X does do that over here. Let's take a quick look at the software here. It's VOS, so Vernee's OS, and it's okay. Like, as you can see, swiping here is actually very nice. They have the home screens down, but when you swipe from down to up to access the app drawer, it's a little bit laggy. But if you compare it to, again, the Ulefone Power 3, which is its main competitor, it's a lot better. Here, watch this. So Vernee's gonna have to fix that. See, it's getting better as you swipe more, but Vernee should really make it so that it's this good from the start. But even then, you can see that there's still a little bit of lag. So let's take a quick look at the display on the Vernee X. I have, again, the same set of photos that I use for pretty much every 2060 by 1080, which is 18 by 9. And the screen here looks pretty good. Colors are fairly saturated. Things look very nice at first glance, so it's not bad, but I'm not sure if you can tell from this photo, but this photo looks a tiny bit yellow compared to what I've seen on other phones like the Ulefone Power 3 or the Ulefone X2 or even the Redmi 5 Plus. A tiny bit yellow, but it's still a very good screen, and in my opinion, this screen could possibly still be better than the Redmi 5 Plus, but not better than the Ulefone Power 3. So let's continue looking through the photos over here. This one looks pretty good. This one is a very good showcase of what the screen can do, and the screen can do quite a bit. Let's continue. And yeah, so screen here is definitely not bad. I will test it more to see what kind of deficiencies we do see with the screen with prolonged use, but I don't anticipate many. Here is a little audio sample for you to listen to. Very short, very sweet, but it's not going to be a full audio review, obviously, because it's just an unboxing, just to let you hear what it sounds like.
Deployed.
So that was a very small sampling of the Vernee X. I mean, I just unboxed it. There's a couple of things I did for you on the screen to show you what it's like, but the full review is gonna tell you so much more about this phone that you can't really get from a quick unboxing like this. So with that being said, keep your eye out for my full review of the Vernee X and other parts of the phone as well. I might be doing a camera review, benchmarks as well, but we'll see how the week progresses, if or when I do those or not. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Likes and subs would be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.